Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this potato porridge recipe? I added my meat, savio herb, rosemary, powdered onion, salt, seasoning, powdered seasoning, onion, curry powder, turmeric powder, white pepper, oregano. So I will combine together properly and I will leave it to cook for some time. So here it is. It has been cooking for a while, so I came back to stir it together. Now I'll pour in my already cleaned potato that I diced to this shape you are seeing right here. So now I'll give it a good mix. All my returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. So I added a tomato puree. Thank you for always returning to like, share, and comment on my video. So I covered it with a fling. As you can see, I didn't add any water. I'm not using water on this recipe, so I covered and cooked it for 10 minutes. So I'll also give it a good stir. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification, and be a member of the family. Feel free to check other of my videos out that you might find helpful. So I covered again and cook it again for another 10 minutes. So I checked if it is cooked. It is not cooked, so I'll still cover it again and cook it again on a low heat for 10 minutes. So here it is cooked. I added in my green bell peppers, onion, and courgette. I will stir it together properly. Share this video for me, guys, and I hope you find this video helpful. It came out so tasty. Give it a try. Enjoy the rest of the recipe. See you in my next one. Bye. Enjoy.